Hello friends. Against the backdrop of the increasing number of car thefts, we are often asked how to ensure reliable protection for a vehicle with a minimal number of devices. There is a solution to this issue. It is the latest digital immobilizer shadow manufactured in Europe. So, what I want to say about its advantages: first, the minimal size allows it to be hidden anywhere in the vehicle. Secondly, digital locks. They are the most effective and secure for the vehicle itself. Management is very simple. You can either use a PIN code assigned to the standard buttons, meaning any buttons, including those on the steering wheel, or carry a miniature tag that is automatically read and disarms the system. This device operates smoothly and reliably. Friends, let me show you how the shadow device works on this car. I am starting the engine without a tag, without authorization. The engine, as we can see, is running. The device does not reveal itself in any way, but as soon as I try to switch the selector to any position, watch what happens. The engine immediately and smoothly stalls. The car is under protection. I just inserted the battery into the tag, and now let's see how it works. I am starting the engine. And we see that authorization has passed. The tag has been recognized. I'm doing everything the same, turning on the selector, and we can see that all modes are switching. Everything is working normally. Thus, our car is under the most reliable protection, and it is very easy to manage. Friends, what else would you like to mention? This system has a fully functional and beautiful application from which you can manage security, service mode, and a multitude of other functions. Additionally, it is worth mentioning that if you have several cars in the family, you can link multiple devices to this application and manage the security of all of them.